We just expanded the town, and this is just one small section of it. But we'll show you guys where this all started. We are walking down into the Joyride basement. Ready to show them what we got going on here? I'm gonna give you guys an update on our diorama build. It's been a popular request. I've actually had a lot of people ask me wanting update videos. The reason why we're in the basement is because we have expanded it. And if you guys were here in some of the previous videos when we first built it, we built it in 2 phases. I have videos on the channel of the entire build of this diorama.
We ran out of room, so we had to move it to the basement.
There we go. That's why we're in the basement, because we ran out of room. So if we wanted to expand it, we had to go to the basement. So to start this video off, let's show you guys the very first diorama that we have built. This is it right here.
It's not as detailed as the other ones, though.
No. So this was the very first one we ever built. This is the first one that I have ever built. It doesn't look like it did when we first built it. It has been through Logan, Liam, Lena. How old were you when you got this? You were young, right, buddy?
I was 4, I think.
4?
3 or 4.
And you're 8 now.
That's your car, Dada. It clothes.
This thing is, it's had its better days. One of the houses that we had is gone.
Someone colored all over it.
We had a McDonald's. Don't know what happened to the McDonald's.
So we put a hotel there.
They're in a little Starbucks. The gas station looks like it's had its better days. Here is Logan's shop right.
Here's mine and Liam's shop.
Here's the shop right there. The good old AutoZone right there. We haven't really connected this. Put this little bridge just to kind of connect it. It's just sitting there. So we just kind of put that there. So this town is the second one that I built right here. This one right here. This one's got the lights and everything on it. I'll cue the lights.
Lights on.
So I don't have my backdrop up yet.
And we don't have it wired in.
Oh yeah, we got to wire it in. This was the second one. You notice it gets a little bit more detailed. The pole lights, the Starbucks. We got this dude over here getting a ticket. And you could see the wear on this because this is corkboard from playing on it. This is our body shop right here. You could take a look inside. We've got a lift. We got a guy working on a car. These are all like half painted cars. This is the body shop.
And
don't know why we have a dyno.
He's drinking coffee over there.
And there's our paint booth. We've got the good old police station right here. Then we've got a little pullover job going on right now. Starbucks over here.
Is a lot more detailed than the
first Starbucks that we built. It's a lot more detailed. So there is this Starbucks right here. We're expanding this town. So what you guys see now, we're not done. So we got a little Starbucks and we got this 7-Eleven. And these things light up. They're pretty cool. The 7-Eleven signs light up. The insides light up. The Starbucks sign, all of it lights up. And it just plugs into like a USB adapter.
And then,
but I've just got them on in this display case right here.
And then up here we have...
But you guys probably recognize Racer's Edge from Fast and the Furious. And we are going to be building a neighborhood. So we've got a bunch of houses being prepped.
That one looks like it's missing the chimney.
Yeah, some of these, I ordered these things off of eBay. They're just like 3D printed S-scale, 1/64 scale houses.
Might need a lot more tables.
Back to showing you guys our little layout. We left off over here showing you guys the Starbucks. Here's OK Used Car Dealership. So right now, this is a Fox Body dealership. So if you guys are looking for a Fox Body, this is where to come. Because we got all kinds of Fox Bodies here. Look at that. We got a Notch right there.
And there's
oh, we even got a GT500 in there. And then that looks like the Camaro from Transformers.
Yeah.
So we've got a few cars. Just somebody came in and traded the new GT500 in for a Notch. Who was that? Was that you?
No, that was Liam, I think.
Got our diner. Then we've got our hotel.
Motel.
Or, gotta get it right.
Over there we're having a car meet.
Big car meet going on, I guess, at the Wawa. You guys ever been to Cruise Week? This is kind of like what's going on over here. Got a little car meet going on. So there's all kinds of stuff over here. And check that thing out. Thing got big old turbo. Subarus. Got a hatch over there.
And then there's a new GT500.
We got Ray's Evo. Like, if you guys are an OG on the channel, you guys probably remember the blue Evo that Ray had. We got one just like that. Dude rolling in here with a Fox body. Here, he's looking for some racing. Check this out. See if I can pull the hood out. Coyote swap with a turbo. And that thing, I actually pulled that out of a different car and threw it in the custom build I did.
And we also got different wheels.
Yeah, I tubbed that thing, put some drag wheels on it. And then let's roll over here to our junkyard. Hold up, who put the Forgotten C10 in here? If you're a subscriber to the channel, you guys know what that is. We definitely got to get back to the C10 build and start doing more with that. So that's our little junkyard. We're just going to give you guys a little tour of the town. This little biker club come in here, hanging out, getting some breakfast. As we pass the junkyard, we've got our Ford dealership. If you guys are looking for a new Ford, this dude's actually thinking about buying that Mustang. Yeah, he's thinking about buying it. This Ford dealership actually has a dyno inside. So I don't think I mentioned, so right about where this Denny's, you want to show them?
This line right here is where the second town is.
Or the third town. First one, second one. This is the third phase of it. You want to give them a tour of your house? So this is Logan's house right here.
Then that's Mama. And then that's a little kid driving the Power Wheels. That matches his truck, and then he's trying to fix his charger.
Oh, nice. What do you got in these garages? Do you have anything in these?
I have
just toolbox and some extra wheels. What about the house garage?
the trash can.
Trash can? Buddy, you need to fill up these garages. We got the Ford dealership across the street. You got the Fox Body dealership down there.
I have cars over in that garage.
Oh, that's your shop, though. That's where you store all your stuff and make all your YouTube videos.
Yes.
All right, let's show you guys inside these Ford dealerships. So the roofs pop off. We got a all-wheel drive dyno in there. And so, and then
This one.
we've got some lifts, and we got a service tech in there working on a new Ford Ranger. And then we got our Ford trailer right there, blocking the garage bays. Let's move that right there.
And there's a car on the Ford lift.
Here, let's flip it around. There, now you can see it. You want to tell them what the next part is?
The Fast and the Furious house.
Right here, guys. After you pass our Ford dealership, you roll on down the road.
To the Fast and the Furious house.
Looks like Dom out there with the Charger. Got the Eclipse. The rest of the crew out here. And then as soon as you pass the Fast and the Furious house,
You come to the campground.
this is our campground right here.
And he's making hot dogs, I
And
think.
so this is our little campground right here, RV park.
The guy that stays here left to go to the car meet. So did he.
Okay, that's why their cars aren't there. If you've never seen a DCP RV, these things are insane. Show them, buddy. The interior on these things.
And you can slide the slides in and out.
Yep, the slides slide in and out too.
And there's even a toilet.
Right? These things are so detailed. We've got a few of these DCPs. Yeah, we've got a few more of them right there. Those things are super nice. After you pass the RV park, we've got the drag strip right over here.
Dad is filming.
Chuck with Death Trap right there, and we got Boosted GT about to rip it down the track.
And then farm trucks right there.
Yep. Custom built Fox body right there. And we got Goliath right there. We have also got Monza. He's somewhere around here. I don't know where he's at. Yeah, I've been trying to get a hold of Chief's car, but I cannot find Chief's car or Murda Nova. That's the drag strip. So everything so far that I've showed you guys, you probably already have seen, but we will give you guys a tour through the town with the GoPro.
And if you've seen the video, you probably already rode in that car.
And if you guys have any ideas, suggestions that you think that we should add to this town, because I've got a few of them in mind. One thing I do want to add, a roller rink. We're into roller skating, so we got to have a roller rink. I've had a few of my buddies ask me, he's like, man, you've built all this and you still ain't added a roller rink. So one thing that we expanded this town quite a bit. We got huge diorama that was built by a construction company. Yeah, I got it from a friend of mine I met at TJ's. He got the thing and it was just too big for his basement. He sold it to me I got it for 200 bucks. You guys let me know, was it worth $200? Would you have given 200 bucks for this? I couldn't pass it up. They're so loud up there, aren't they? That's Liam and Lena upstairs. Right after we picked it up, we sat it in the garage. So once we got it down to the basement, we had to build some legs for it. This thing was a pain in the butt getting it out of his basement. Are you ready to show them, Logan? There's a few things on it that is broke, and that happened through like moving it around. It needs to be touched up a bit. You ready to show them? So here it is. This is the highway shot right here. So it's got an overpass, it's got a bridge right there. It's got a creek over here, or a river. And got a cop just sitting in the middle over there. But the detail on this thing is insane.
We need to put speed limit signs on the other one.
But the rocks underneath this bridge, the detail on this thing. I got a motorhome coming across the bridge. Then we got a little state trooper sitting right up over there. Come up in the town, you got a little stop sign. We've got a little Jeep club hanging out over here. We've got an intersection. And over here on this intersection, you got a couple little shops. You've got a house right there. And then across the street, got another house. And then you've got a shop right here. That's like my favorite part is that bridge. Our gas station right here. And then as you come in right here, because there's actually a quarry. So when you come into the quarry, you've got your scales, which I got, you know, waste management, bringing in some dumpsters. We got a flatbed tow truck. You know, you got the guy that works here. Oh, we got a little Nova for sale right there. And then what's kind of cool is right where our drag strip is, I kind of connected it because when I cut the legs, I cut it perfect. So this is even with the current town that we have. So what I did was kind of made the drag strip go into this little overflow lot. And that's where we got all of our trailers, and we got a couple RVs parked over there too. As you come down through here, got a semi truck parked over here with a gooseneck. And then as you come down into the quarry, we got some...
He's dumping rocks. And they're also filling up the rocks.
Yeah. So that's the quarry right there. But yeah, this is it, guys. What do you think? 200 bucks for this thing? It just fits right in. You can see where it kind of butts up with the RV park right here. What I want to do is kind of make like a rock wall, or maybe put some shrubbery or something right there.
Because it just looks like you have a wood wall in the mountain.
I want to do like kind of like a rock wall or something like that, like how I did the little pads right there. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys see it, but there's a deer up in there. The detail on this thing is actually pretty sweet. You want to give them a tour with this?
Yeah, it's gonna be hard for you to get in because there's no doors.
I'm an adult here, and I like sitting here playing with this. And Logan, how often do you play with this?
Almost every day.
You ready to take him for a ride in the GoPro car?
Not yet, it's getting filled up right now.
You having fun? I hope you guys enjoyed Logan's little GoPro tour of the town.
I accidentally took out a stop sign.
I think we need to put some cars in that garage. So what's your most favorite car?
Car. These cars are in the garage right now. And I have a lot more. Park them at my house.
That was the tour of the town. So what I do want to do is I want to take the roads, reline them, kind of give it a little bit of a shoulder. If I have a cop with somebody pulled over, I have a shoulder for them to pull over on. It'll be more realistic. Technically, you could make this a 3-lane. I mean, there's enough room there for 3 lanes if I really wanted to. This wasn't built exactly to 1/64 scale, but it is pretty close. It is really close. I mean, you look at, these are 1/64 scale on here, so that's probably about accurate. I mean, it's pretty close. This I'd probably leave. Typically, you park on the shoulder.
You park like that?
Yeah, because there's really no parking, and then cars can still get by. I think it's actually a perfect size for 1/64, so it gives you the full shoulder to park on, plus to drive by.
And you can pull people over.
Mounted these legs on there, and we got it perfect to fit right up against ours. So once we add those houses, I'm thinking either...
Turn them into a neighborhood?
I think what we're going to do, we're going to get rid of this one, and we're going to build a neighborhood off that section of the town. What happened?
He broke.
Really, bud? Oh, man. That being said, hope you guys enjoyed our town, especially Logan's little burnout session with the cars. Typical Mustang week, cruise week. But let us know what you guys think of it and what you would like to see us do with it, especially when it comes to expanding it. If you guys have any ideas, make sure you hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you know when we drop another awesome video like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Wait.
Yeah?
Next time you guys are gonna run into the people.
Who? Oh, with the GoPro? Oh, we could have done that. Look at this guy. He's already coming up with awesome ideas.
Bye.